Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Are Dixie products microwavable? Our products can be used safely in a microwave for reheating food. However, the capabilities of the microwave, the type of food and reheating practices all vary, so we do not make any specific guarantees about the use of our plates and bowls in the microwave.
Let's help you make your mark.
So choosing paper cups and paper plates does not necessarily mean plastic-free. Cups are always coated with a layer of polymer film to make them waterproof. Plates may or may not be coated with plastic. 2 November 2007.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.